I met this friend in senior high school who taught me everything sa commute. Jeep, LRT, MRT. The gesture, and him was really sweet. Oh my God! Sobrang seryoso. Sobrang journey. Kasi yung schools ko before, walking distance lang or one tricycle away. Kaya medyo culture shock din ako nung una. Hindi rin kasi ako palagala. Every time na aalis kami since then, not once did I pay for the ticket sa counter or magabot ng bayad. Palagi siya nauuna, tas sabay sabi ng, sige, ikaw na lang sa pauwi. Naging norm na namin yon. Minsan nga kahit pauwi na, ako pa rin ang hindi gumagalaw. Hindi ko alam. Maybe he just liked doing it. Or maybe that was his way of showing care. It wasn't just about commuting. It became a rhythm. A shared route na kahit walang usapan, gamay na namin. Sa gitna ng siksikan, lakaran, habulan sa tren, may sarili kaming galaw. Like a language only we understood. Ang ganda na nung sunulat niya. Nabulol-bulol pa ako eh. And now that we're heading into college, it's just sad knowing na 2 years ko yung nakasanayan. Na may kasama sa pila, may nauunang magbayad, buraot ki, may humahawi ng daan. Pero ngayon ako na lang ulit. I actually cried on my way to the station. I'm forever grateful to him, and I think I'll keep carrying the ways he cared for me. Like the bus tickets we always used to collect. Small things, soft reminders, and a little bit of him I'll take with me wherever I go. Oh, what the